I'm sure you've heard the news. Desserts and barbecues don't usually mix, right? Think again. Today, we're whipping up a scrumptious barbecue pavlova that'll change everything you thought you knew about grilling. You'll need 6 egg whites, 1½ cups of castor sugar, a teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of corn flour sifted, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Whisk egg whites until fluffy, then gradually add sugar until it's glossy and stiff. Then whisk in the other ingredients to combine. Heat your barbecue for indirect cooking at 110 to 130 degrees Celsius. Using a spoon, shape the pavlova on a lined baking tray to about a 25 centimeter circle and place on the barbecue. Close the lid and bake for an hour and a half, or until it is dry to touch. Resist the urge to open the lid too often, as this can affect the cooking process. Once cooked, turn off the barbecue and leave the pavlova inside with the lid closed to cool completely, at least 30 minutes or longer if possible. Patience is key. For the finale, whip cream with 2 tablespoons of icing sugar together and then spread over the cooled base. Add toppings like fresh berries, kiwi fruit slices, or chocolate flakes. And there you have it, your delicious barbecue pavlova bursting with flavors and a smoky twist.